Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said the national capital will likely have around 550,000 coronavirus cases. This comes as the Delhi's Aam Aadmi Party finds itself at loggerheads with the Lieutenant Governor Anil Bajal over hospital beds. Bajal squashed the Delhi government's order to reserve beds in its hospital for Delhi residents. The Lieutenant Governor released a statement late evening in which he said, rather than discriminating between patients, the goal of government should be to plan and to prepare for adequate infrastructure. We are all Indians and Delhi belongs to all. Disappointed with the governor's move, Sisodia said the cases will spike in July, for which more than 80,000 beds are needed. He also accused the governor of not having any plans for the surge in hospital admissions. The Delhi government further criticized the centre for not acknowledging the fact that Delhi has reached the community transmission stage. This comes as the Health Minister Satyendra Yadav could not establish contact tracing in almost 50% of the coronavirus cases. In a digital press briefing on Sunday, Kejriwal announced that hospitals under the Delhi government and some private ones will be reserved for Delhiites till the COVID-19 crisis subsides. The order was overruled by the Lieutenant Governor on Monday, saying that right to health has been held as an integral part of right to life under the Constitution by the Supreme Court. Sisodia said the prediction of 5.5 lakh is based on the time when the borders were sealed due to lockdown and only residents of the states were coming for treatment to Delhi hospitals. It was considering the surge in COVID cases that the Delhi cabinet decided to reserve Delhi government and private hospitals for those living in the capital. Now the decision to open hospitals for all will create obstacles for the people of Delhi. Satyendra Jain said that at any given point of time, nearly 50% of patients treated in Delhi's private hospitals are from outside the state, and the proportion goes up to nearly 70% in government hospitals. During the lockdown in both private and government hospitals, the occupancy of people from outside was 10%, and only planned surgeries were happening. This could have been continued for some time, but the Lieutenant Governor has not agreed to this. The Lieutenant Governor responded to the state ministers by saying he is fully aware of the need to ramp up medical infrastructure. In fact, from time to time, several ideas and strategies have been discussed in the SDMA meeting to augment the medical infrastructures to meet the rising requirement. In SDMA meeting also, ideas such as use of spaces like Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Tyagraj Stadium, JLN Stadium, Pragati Maidan to make large makeshift medical facilities were discussed. It was also decided to use banquet halls, marriage places, etc. to ramp up the facilities. Bajal has also advised the officers concerned to invoke Section 50 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 for expeditious procurement of materials needed to set up the required infrastructure.